Hey everyone, my name is Priyanka Mihra and welcome to my channel Glemistry and Short Haircuts. I am a makeup artist and a skincare esthetician by profession. Welcome to my channel and this is my first ever YouTube video. So I might look nervous, I might get fumbled, so apologies. So few days back I posted a story on both my handles on Instagram like Glemistry by Priyanka and Short Haircuts that ask me question and I'll do a Q&A session on YouTube. So here I am and I will read the questions in my phone and then I'll reply them here. So I have already filtered the questions and I'm so excited. This is my first ever YouTube video. Yes. I used to think about it like someday I'll make YouTube video, but I didn't get the courage. But today I'm doing it. So yes, here I am. And also guys, do let me know what do you think about this Christmas inspired eye look. I hope I've done the justice to the Christmas theme by choosing the green and reds. So yes, let's get started with the questions. So there's some virtual barber shop. He said that, are you a boy or a girl and where are you from? So what do you think who I am? Of course I'm a girl and I belong to Punjab. Also guys, spare me for the background noise because dogs, I can't do anything. So the next question is by Edward Caesar Hands. The question is a next haircut super short bob. Dear, I'm already having a short bob. And somebody else also stated that next haircut in salon or home. So I already have a home haircut. So you guys, why don't you guys let me know that where should I get my next haircut done, at home or at salon? So there is some HAS underscore T. They said he said that, how did you get inspired to start this channel and also what do you do as in career wise? So the moment I had this haircut, so then already I decided that I'll start a YouTube channel and also a Instagram where I'll promote short haircuts, people who went through bob, head shave, bald, pixies, undercuts. I'll post them and promote them. So that's how I get it was just a random thought. And career wise, I'm a makeup artist and a skincare esthetician. I already uh, told you guys. So the next question is by bobhair.cut. He said that would love to see more Indian content. It would be great if admin Priyanka ma'am could go shorter. I am already having a short haircut, but you never know what I do in future. I'll think about it. And also about Indian content, yes, I just promote people. I don't, differentiate if it's Indian or foreigner. Like, I hope you get. Yes. So the next question is by Jazz13909. He said that what new content you are bringing in future. So you'll get to see a mix of everything like lifestyle, food, makeup, skincare, haircuts, of course. So you won't get bored here. So stick with me. So the next one is haircut underscore head shave. Said that, hey, how are you? Would you do more shorter hair or head shave in future? Hmm. So first of all, I'm doing good. How are you? And thanks for your concern. And about getting shorter hair more than that, let's see. And head shave in future. So as of now, I am just craving for subscribers here. I mean, I leave it to you guys that in which look you want to see me. So I'll think about it. And also guys, do help me achieving subscribers. Share my video, share my YouTube link, channel link to your friends, to your relatives, to your fellow mates, so that I can achieve more subscribers and interact with you guys. So yes. So next, head shave lovers said that hair growth time after boycott. Sorry. Mm, no, it's hair growth time for a boycott after head shave. So after a head shave, it usually actually depends upon growth to growth, but usually it takes around 2 to 3 months, I would say. And the next one is Reddy Sai underscore Rami Shetty. I just hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Big fan of you, bro. Bro? Okay, bro. And the next one is Bellel Sourish, Sourish. Did you find any other who is hair fetish? First of all, I am not a hair fetish person and I don't find anybody else as well. The next one is Sakti Dave 24412 said, I also want to do what? Please complete the sentence. Um, Next one is hair for cancer patients. Okay, said that, ma'am, are you try busket or smooth shiny bald? Dear, I haven't thought about it as of now, but I've already told that I leave it to you guys. And also about future, I can't predict. I mean, till what extent I can go. So it's a mystery. Stick with me. So the next one is barbershop underscore haircut. What about getting a short pixie haircut from a local gents barbershop? I think I already had cut from a barbershop once. It was just a trim. I used to have this much of length, so it was just a trim. So yes, I already had. And about pixie, you never know. Has like, I mean, head shave pixie undercuts, you never know what's in future. So stick with me, see me getting a pixie undercut, or you never know till what extent I would go. I'm actually so nervous talking to you guys right now, so I'm getting fumble. So yes. Next is Shivam Shukla underscore, I don't know what it's missing. Yes karo, what yes karo? Please complete it. The next is Mr. underscore DOC underscore O7 said, upload full videos on YouTube. Sure, whatever full videos I'll be having, I'll upload it on YouTube channel. Um, Next is Google user 6882 said that, will you ever shave your head smooth for money? If money, if yes, then how much you'll demand? Um, I don't think I'll do something like this for money. So can't say about how much I'll demand because I'm not gonna do that. And the next is I787877. Which actress do you think should cut their hair short? Um, Short hair are in trend these days. So I think Nora Fatehi has good hair and she will look bomb in short hair. So yes. Next one is rus.hika12 Rashika, maybe. Yeah, post some videos of undercut girl. Okay, all right, I'll do that. Thank you. Next one is hairstyle.advicepk. Record your nape shape video. It's already up on my channel, dear. Have a look. And next is Mansi.nn, said that thoughts about head shape. Actually, head shave is something big, to be very honest, and it's up to the person's own choice that if he or she wants to do that. So yes. The next is treatment for acne. So treatment for acne, it's said by some Navya.002. Yeah, treatment for acne, you can do spot treatment with tea tree oil. You can use skincare products meant for your skin. You can tell me, I'll let you know what you should use. And also you can get high frequency treatments. Yes, it actually works really very well. The next one is by Shilpa. Yes, Shilpa, your skin type. I am a acne prone skin, oily skin, and which tends to get dry in winters. So yes. Next one is by Priyanka. Some Priyanka, yes. I myself am Priyanka. Best makeup brushes to invest in. I swear by pack brushes. The one comes in 23 or 25 in set. I have used that. So yes, pack brushes are the best. You can totally, I swear by them. Yes, so the next is some glam underscore girl said that, are you married? Yes, I'm married. It's been 7 years I'm married. And your age? I'm 29 years old, guys. Okay, so there is some Srishti. Yeah, Srishti said that your CTM routine. I'll make a video on this and upload it on Instagram, hopefully on YouTube as well. But follow me on Instagram, check out there. You'll see there. I haven't posted till now, but I'll post one because I've made one. So, yes, only the editing is left. So, you'll get to see there super short, super soon. Yes. So the next one is loved your makeup transitions. Thank you so much. And the next is haircut. What haircut? Loved your both Instagram handle. Thank you so much and keep loving. The next one is by PASHWA underscore CHAVDA underscore 06. Um, Pashwa underscore Chavda underscore 06. Going for Pixie on 1K of YouTube. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll do that. Just help me with the subscribers. Uh, just help me achieving 1,000 subscribers. It will means a lot to me, and I'll do something for you guys, so it will be treat to you. So yes, and also do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this video which I made today, like a Q&A chit chat kind of a session. If you want something like this again, then throw in your suggestions, your questions, so that I can make a video again. And also what would you like to see in future more, like regarding makeup, skincare. If you have any sort of queries, just let me know, guys. So here I am signing off, and just keep showering your love like this. Keep supporting me on Instagram, on YouTube here, and help me achieving more subscribers by sharing my videos with your friends and your relatives. And yes, thank you so much, guys. It was such a fun chit chatting with you guys, and I think I've done the justice with all the questions. I just answered whatever I had in my mind. It was not made up. It wasn't planned. It's just on the spot. Yeah. So thank you so much. Bye bye. And also don't forget to wear your mask. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.